do you do plus and minus? Okay, odd roots, whatever you got. If I had x cubed equals negative 27, what would the answer be?
Negative 2.
Negative 3.
And you don't have to do an I if you have a negative.
Nope, because it's not imaginary. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 is negative 27.
The x coordinate's odd. It's never going to be plus or minus.
Right. But if it's even, it's always going to be plus or minus. Okay? Graphing. What's this the graph of? Horizontal and vertical line. Which one's vertical?
Oh, wait, you said vertical or horizontal?
I said which one's vertical?
Yeah. Y. No, X. Because X crosses the X-axis.
Very good. X equals 2 is a vertical line crossing the X-axis at 2. Because every point on that line has an X coordinate of 2. The Y coordinate changes, but every X coordinate is 2. This is a horizontal line at Y equals negative 1. Because every coordinate, or excuse me, every Y coordinate on that line, Y is negative 1. Okay? Those are simple. What is this the graph of? That's a line that has some sort of slope. This line is in standard form. We need to put it in y equals mx plus b form so that we can graph it easily. Which means I need to solve for y, so I'm going to start by subtracting 2x from both sides. And then I'm going to divide everything by 5. Now don't put it all over 5 because then you get confused on where do I start, what's the slope. Divide every little thing by 5. And here's your line. It has a negative slope. Let's talk back about the other day. We said we have direct relationships between things and indirect relationships. Does this represent a direct or an indirect relationship? Indirect, which means what? It means that as one factor increases, the other factor decreases. Okay? All right, now if we were going to graph this, where do we start?
Plus 2 up 2.
We always start with the constant term on the y-axis because that is our y-intercept. All right, so here's your starting point. These are your directions. Rise over run. Head south or head down 2 units. Then head to the right 5 units.
Well, you said southeast. You never said east.
I know.
I got that right. All by myself.
I sure did.
Just the bullseye.
Easily fixable.
It's my favorite. Like that. Just because
Okay? That's it for today. Again, if you wait until Tuesday night to try to start looking at this, you will fail. I guarantee it. Exam is Wednesday, and you need to start this weekend.